follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court.
This is why you're
Probation
going in
is,
custody.
you are extremely
visits.
high today. And if I allow you to walk out of here, what's going to end up happening is you're
thank
going to
you.
use more meth.
How long am I gonna be gone? When am I-
Thank you, counsel.
Welcome to today's courtroom drama breakdown. This is the case of Dora Bravo facing serious charges of meth possession. The stakes, a potential prison sentence, deferred adjudication, and some very crucial decisions ahead. The courtroom is on fire today, with emotions running high, as Ms. Bravo, battling addiction, faces the music. Will she get a second chance, or is the system about to drop the hammer? Stick around, because we're about to dive into some shocking moments, unexpected twists, and of course, the legal breakdowns. You'll need to understand it all. What do you think? Should she be given another shot at redemption, or is it time to face the consequences? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get started.
This is penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Understand, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
To
ma'am.
review the plea bargain page with your attorney, did you understand it?
Ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State recommends supervision, deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 AL 005470. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
It is your.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your
The tension is palpable as Ms. Bravo is offered the chance for deferred adjudication, essentially a second chance, provided she keeps herself clean. The court is offering her a pathway out of the state jail, but it's not going to be easy. She'll have to complete community service, undergo counseling, and even take a few courses. But here's the kicker: if she fails to stay on track, it's 2 years behind bars. Deferred adjudication is not a get-out-of-jail-free card. It's a chance to prove she can stay clean. However, the reality is harsh failure means a criminal record and potentially years in jail. The court's clearly trying to balance rehabilitation with accountability.
The offense is charged. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
State offers states 1 in attachments.
No objections.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court follow the recommendation from the state.
All right, are you employed?
Ma'am.
How do you support yourself?
My boyfriend,
Who is your boyfriend?
Pedro
Pedro who?
Diaz.
And what happened to Roberto Avalos?
What do you mean? What happened to him?
I mean, you were in a car with him. Is he no longer in your life?
No, he's incarcerated, but nobody stated that I was dating him. I was just getting a ride from him, ma'am.
All right. Did you know him before you accepted a ride from him?
Yes, I did.
All right. And how did you know him?
Friend of family.
Do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
He is 15.
And who is the 15-year-old with?
He is with his uncle and his guardian.
And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else?
Um,
Now, that's not just about it. Do you want to get drug tested today? So here's the thing. I am trying to set conditions for you so you'll be successful in probation. In order for me to do that, you need to be honest with me. All right? So if you use before coming to court, that's not a violation of your probation because you were not on probation. So what are you going to be positive for?
Here's where it gets intense. Ms. Bravo openly admits she's been using meth just 24 hours before the court session, and she's honest about it. She tells the court she's trying to change, but what's fascinating here is the judge's approach. Instead of slamming down the gavel, the judge is trying to guide her toward a rehab path. This is the moment where the court could either help her or send her down a much darker road. What do you think the judge should do here? Show some mercy or lay down the law? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, this is a pivotal moment that could change the course of her life.
My brother,
Your brother?
my oldest brother.
Okay. When's the first time you started using?
In 2017.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be an $800 fine that will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Taking consideration 2025 AL 005470. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Once parenting is completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr. No contact with J.C. Penney stores. Counsel, I'm not going to do the anti-theft course because I think the theft course is related to the drug issues. And I think if that problem is solved, then there'll be no need for the other. But I am going to recommend the life skills course. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. In custody, there's to be a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court. Probation is, and field visits, 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to?
All right, let's wrap this up. In the end, Ms. Bravo's fate is sealed with a probation sentence and a hefty fine, but there's one big catch: no more messing around. The court is sending her to drug court, where she will be monitored closely to make sure she stays on the straight and narrow. It's a tough call for the judge. She's being given a chance, but the clock is ticking. If she fails, the consequences will be dire. This case illustrates the fine line between rehabilitation and punishment, and how the legal system tries to balance both. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. You don't want to miss what's coming next.